Malalau mali e ho e ki moilele i Tonga kutoa fia ke o taritali lele ki mo tolo ki o mo ngahi o ngongo mo le tio kai o ai television e Tonga ki he hoani i he wakai ko ia ki ngahi ulu i o ngongo. I kai haliliu e hoko ki he tuonga o ke e lolo i Tongani neongo ai alea pau ho i mahafu i ke ua kua whelotoi ke i tau i he haha ki loto loto. Hoka Tongani koe fuafua whanua i Pasifiki ke whotua i waangawe e kautaha Women in Aviation pe kakai whewhine i ta whaaki whewhalau aki wakapuna sivile. Pe a pao ke hua ai kato ai toko taha kotoa pe e hu ki loto pa ake te uwhaiva i he whiau hisi poti whakakolisi o wike kaha una koe hi koe malumu i hao ai toko taha kotoa lolo tonga ai ngahi whiau hi. O kutoi ei pe ngahi tala noa kehe ana yange pehe e ta wakai ki ngahi o ngongo mehe mala e oi sipoti kai o maa e to o ngā oi ea. Ko e wakai lewa e ni ki he whakai ki iki ko au liliani polotele. Neongo kua whakaha ai ia ia lea pau hu i mahafu pe ceasefire i he tau i he ha ke loto i e waha au Amerika Isileli mo Iran. Pe hawhaka ata e Iran ai Elia Strait of Hormuz ka koe halanga waka o ku whaua i ngahi waka o ta lolo mi haha ke loto ki he toenga o ngahi whanua o mamani. Pea ho ata mai ai ki i mama i he mui tānolo i he ka venga ko ia o e mauanga lolo wha mamani lahi. Ka o ki kai ke malohi whiunga e ni ke whapapau i ai haliliu ki he tūkunga lolo tonga o e mauanga lolo a Tongani. I e mahino o ku kei i he tuunga lanu matape pe whainga mali e eni ai mawanga lolo ai whonua i loro Tongani ka aku kei veive iua ai wakai ki he kahau ki e mahina ko ia ko me mo sune. Ne whamala ala heni ai e ki palemia no pele whanua ki he kawengani i he loro Tonga whakataha ma kehe me kau whai o ngongo.
Ko Pacific Energy ko nau tolu nau mao ai price ko hi ko piti ko o ngo kautaha kautaha ko maulalo taha ni price ko ia o ne hanga ko opure e mahu inga lolo i Tongan kato ai ko ngai ngau ko ia fa ho kato ia ki competent authority ko hinga o ki tau lava ma o nga lolo hanga ton mi Singapore pe refinery ka hanko South Korea ko hi ko ngai ota ko ia o klahi angi he mau ko Tongani ko ngai wakala lahi pe lava ha o ton mi refinery tau whatata pe ko time ko ku whai tau aki e ki ke huat pe ha ta whatau hanga ton me wholesaler he ke mai wholesaler ko container fi hau ke fi mau ka pa ko haki puha piskete pe ua moha palole me pe he e ta mai wholesaler al ke whare koloa ai o ki ke tau lava wholesaler e o ki ke tau o ta whiunga e tau loloa tau tolu ke tala no mai u kau taha lolo ka tau tolu Paula ke tau ngau e aki ai o kautaha koe o ki Tongani, ai koe kautaha pe ua. Koe uhi ko nau tolu na o tahanga tonu mi refinery. Koe ngahi palani koe na ke o tahanga tonu mai mi Singapore na osfola ta o pe hono whahu maana ki pureanga. Pe koe pureanga ne fia o nau ngau ki aipa nei kai piki la whahoko.
Koe e ki palemia ia no pele whawhanua i he ene mea o whamala ala ki he tukunga koe ia o i mauanga lolo i Tongani, loro tonga ai whataha me ka whai o ngongo i he hoatani. Kua au si ai Tongani ai makamaile mahu inga eni hono whai via mo poupoua ai ngāwe kakai whewhine, i hono whai longa i he pongponge a honi ai hoko a Tongani, ko e fuafua whanua i he Pasifiki ke whotu ai wa ngāwe kautaha whakawaha apule anga Women in Aviation be koe kakai whewhine i he ta whaaki whewhalau aki wakapuna sivile. Ai ako hili ne whotu i Tongani ai wa ako ia Women in Aviation Tonga, li te atau kapo me whakai ki iki.
Kono whakailonga e pok whaoni, ne whakahoko pia e minister o putu ngawe ngai ngawe lalahi pure anga se misisika. E whakamatala e whakafofonga e waa Women in Aviation Tonga, ne peheai e silioti kata, koe konga e ne whenga e pure anga ke whakaai mo whakaivia e iwi malawa e kakai whewhine, ke o pe atu ki ngai ngāue i he tawhaaki o e whewhalau aki whakapuna sivile, ka tau te whito hono whakamalohia ai wahe tatau a tangata mo whewhine.
Polo kalama ko ni Women in Aviation ko no whakakaukau pe ko puitua iai ko e kono whakatahataha mai ai kakai whiwhine i se tā koe ni. Pea koe ki i network ko ni na e whaihono whao. Koe kakai in the leadership role i he aviation, kakai whiwhine i he ngahi tawhaaki he kehepe. We wanted to break barriers in the workplace, in this industry. Mantui koe industry koe ni o futominena pite kakai tangata. So we wanted to break those barriers, and we also want to empower women i he ko pekono whakaivia kakai whiwhine i he tawhaaki koe ni. Aki hono whatahataha mai ai kakai whiwhine o kuna lotonga ngā pe i he tawhaaki ke koe airport, koe airline, koe ngahi kautaha whenga aki check-in e airport. So kon whatahataha mai koe ki nau tolu, pea o mi lewa ke mau whai hangai whotutu i hangai ngāue e lawa ke whakaivia aki ai ngāue koe ne kakai whiwhine i he sekta koe ne whiwhilo aku wakapuna sivile.
Nai whakahaheni e whawhawhonga e whānau ako mihe ako Palu Aviation, Marcela Loloma. E ne whiawhia i hono whakotu e waa ngā weni i tongani, koe uhi o kune whakahai kia te ia, o ku mahu inga pe o ku kei whie mau pe e kakai whiwhine, ki e tawhaaki whewholau aki wakapuna sivile, o i kai ke whakangatangata ho nau wiwi malawa, ka tau te whito ki he ako paila te.
Ai ako kau kon he ki whataha ko niu ko ngoi kau lele o ko lahi mea ko ira i ke ta whaki ko ia ko kau he poupou mo whato lahi ke te au. Mo e whika wā ko hange ko lau si e kakai whiwhine ko ia i e ta whaki ko aviation. Pea ko kau mai kani e ki polokalama ko ni i e ko aloha kene rahi ngahi pole i he ngahi opinion ko ia koe me he kakai koe sio koe tāhine au o ku tawhako koe ko whiri ke o alu ki ai o hange nau loto si ka ko kau mai ke ki prokalama koe ni o ne whaloto lahi au ke o te hoka pe ko ki tau pepe ko ki misi e talungu tupa ke o hoko ko ha pailate.
Koe ka kato e ne ngāue ki ono whakotu o e wā ai Women in Aviation i Tongani, hili angeia e ka kato e polokalama ako aho tolu ma ai ka kai whiwhine o ku naulolo tonga ngāue i he tawhaaki whewholau aki wakapuna sivile, i e whakaamu ke whakaivia e nau ilo, mo wakai i whakalele e ngahi pole o ku nau whehangahanga i moia. Ne tataki pe ai ako e matao tau mi he waa whewholau aki wakapuna sivile a Australia, o whakapaanga e he pureanga Australia, o whakafou i he nau polokalama ngā ue ki he whewholau aki wakapuna sivile. Mai o ngonga le tio mo televisione Tonga, kua uri itea tau kapo.
Kia hika whia mao me maho inga ke whakapapau i ai mao luta melino malo moe hao ai whiau hisipoti hono hiwango fulu maa hiwa i ngahi ako anga kolisi he tauni. Kua tōtu uni i komiti pule ki whiau hisipoti whakakolisi o tauni, kua pau ke hua ai ngahi kato kotoa pe, ai tō taha kotoa pe e hu ki loto paa ke te uwhaiwa i he wike kaha au. Koe hili eni hono whakapapau i mei he Palestini o komiti sipoti ngahi ako anga kolisi, he ngano hala uwhia. Ka koe whakaiki ki mo senolita tui vai.
O ko mahino koe ngahi tau ki mua, na e whaahua pehe kaure o i he matapā e ngahi kato e whanau a ko. Kanai kai ke fulongo mo ui ka i he tauni, kua fusia wai ke hua ai kato e toko taha kotoa pe, o au ke kaumamata sipoti. O kuma tuunga eni me he iai tai lele komiti sipoti ki he tuunga hao me malo ai whakataha angani, ka hui ko tuulawe angofua ke tufaki ai whaito o Tongatapu. O kuma hino kisi ofi au pito e ka ngani ka hui koe hao me malo e whanau ako, me he ngawe ake whaito o Tongatapu pehe ki he maukawa malo hi. Pehe e hingano, ka iai hataha o ikai ke fie maali e ke hua a enau kato, ko pau ke ta ofinga he polisi i tua.
Mea e hoi ki ka mai ka kai whanua koe sino pūreni u te pūre i ai whiauhi koe ni. Koe aha tūtūni te nau whai ke whiauhi koe ni, koe mea ia e whai. Oku hake ai ke motu ani, ai tūtūni na e whai, ke whakaawa e kato ai taha kotoa pe e hu mai ke malai te uwhai wā. E mou mea ai, oku kehe nia ngai tau ki mua na whahoko tutuni ko ni pena ke loto tau whanau ia ke whakawa nau kato. Aku kore atu ko tauni e ta ofi ko he polisi tua o ka pau he kai ke loto ke whakawa hao kato. E funga e tutuni ai kaupure ako ke whakawa e kato ke sio. Mumea i ko ako kuonga ni ako ke. Uiai whainga maari he futokolahi ko ni ke tufaki aisi pe mo whai toko na tapu e tau whanau ako. Pe mo kakai ko toa pe e hu mai ke malai teu whaiwa. Ne whaia he pure ako e tutuni ko ni ke wakai o koe ko hame a kovi hano wakai e kato ko toa pe e hu ki teu whaiwa. Kawa maalohi e tokotaha uhu a kawa ia ka whakatoanga i koe uku ke mau e aisi mo whai toko na tapu. He ke whakangofu ako ke hu ki te whaiwa. Pe te ke whakawhi atungi ai ai kore u whai. Ututuni he pure ako te ke malo loko i tua. Neongo ko ho manawa ka koe mau whanau ako. Hoi aku kore atu ke hoi ka mai ka kai whanua whakatoanga i angi. Ai whai ki tutuni koe ni he kehe aho mo tau kuonga mo ngahi taau. O taimi pe mo ne ngahi whiri mo ngahi pore.
Lo tonga ni ne pehe toko ni pule polis aptanga polis Nuku'alofa le moto piliu ko tuko atu ai kole mei he komite kau pule ako ke siofi he kau polisi e whanau wako o kuna ufa o pe ai wala whetongi i he kato pe tok whetongi i loto te whaiwa. Pehe e piliu ka kawenga ko eni o kulahilahi eni hāmai i he tau kotoa i he spot whakolisi. Ka i he tau ni e longo mo ui ai ngau e te kau polisi ki he whanau wako o kuna ufai ai ulunganga ko eni. I he whengau aki me kau mata pole i e ngahi kolisi.
Peange pe koe tau whanau, koe konga ia ono cheke ngahi kato he keiti, o kai ke whemau ke hua hakawa mālohia ki te whaiva. O tatau me mo poini koe ni tua koe ni tānot kai koe iai kau polisi. E la peo wakai mo usate misini ai puti mo mea ke o nā hua hakawa mālohi ki e lia te whaiva. Rotonga whaa koe ne whakako ai spoti. Pakai ngatai koe tau whanau lahe no whakatonga he ngai tau ki mo atu o kua mea mo ki wala whetongi. O toki hoia ki te whaiva, o toki whai whetongi ai pa ke toki lue te ngā kehe o roi koe. Ka kumau whenga ak me kaumatapure o ngahi yako anga, ka whakatonga i koe o ke whai pehe, e awe koe ke yako anga koe ia ke whai tutuni ka te koe, o koe ke te whemau i ke te ngā kehe. Tui e te unga ho ki yako anga, ai mo e aiti, ngā koe konga ho hu he keiti taitotongi, ngā pa ke makehe ai e tokangat ke whai ka tingi motolu, ke mau e tau nofo he ngahi aha koe ne whai spoti.
Kai ke he koe whiau spoti hono hi wango fuma hiwa ngahi ako anga kolisi, e kamata he aho tūsi te wike kaha u o toki kakato ke aho whalai te. Kai ke he ko ole sisita e team spoti e wanoa me ngahi kolisi, ke nau veipa i he whiau hini. Mai ngonga le tio me televisione Tonga, kwa senolita tu i vai.
Kua o taimali whanau ako sipoti o ako maalunga o tupo, i hatakoni whapaanga enimi he tapu tuku lolo mo si ako mo ui aunga ka koe kolisi tutuku e ako anga mi ao si te lelia. Koe whakaau me tokoni koe ni ke whakaivia mo toka ngai kina aki e teu mo ngai whie mau e kau sipoti, i amanaki ke nau veipa mo whakatete i he paa ke teu whaiwahi wike kaha una i ngai whiau hi sipoti whakaako e ta ua noa wano. Le te atau kapo mo i whakaiki.
I hono whai ke e koe Palestini kulistu tuku mi Australia, toki tā lei pāsi. Nāne pehe koe konga eni e nau whenga ke poupoua mo teke a tare ni tsipoti e whanau wako lolotonga, tau te whito kia te ki nau tolu ko nau pole taki ke whakafofonga i ako anga i e ngahi whe auhi o sipoti whakaako o e tauni.
Koe tokoni peke kau sipoti koe ki koini pena he, o mai peke tokoni mai ki he nau hangai koe nau kai mo e ngang whangi i ala mea pehepe. Kaku os mahino peu koe ke lahi, pure ako, kako e hangai koe lau koe si kai ha. Koe mau, koe kauene mau initial help ke he umea ko toa pe apiako lolotonga, tupo high school.
I he lolo tongani, kua toi peha ngai au si I pia whakatētē e whānau wako si poti e ako angani I he paake teu whaiwa he wike kaha u. Pana tuku atoa I pē e toke tā pāsi e nau tala monu mi he koristu tuku ko toa pē ako anga mi Australia ka uhi ko whi auhi ko teu kia I whānau wako lolo tonga.
Io, koe mahino foki mandui koe taptuku lolo. Koe sia ko moi au ngā moi tapu tuku lolo. Ai aku koe tau ko si foki nei ola lei ai sipoti nei ngai me tarikola. Ai api ako. Pea oku manako au bito sipoti I heni. Lava ke mau lere mai mei topure anga o sio sipoti. Ai aku look forward ki he sipoti koe talamonu pe ki he pure ako ka mai pure sipoti. Mo kau spoti ako malunga o tupou I he te waki ke kamata he tūsite pea koe tuu tau mau ko toa pe ki ai he tūsite pea ku iai talamonu ke he ukoris ke he ki he whiauhi o he spoti whakaako o tongani.
Oku ika I ngata pē a hono whakaivia e koristu tuku mi Australia e tali ni tipoti e whānau wako lolo tonga. Ka oku nau ostoko nia foki ako angani I hono whakanau nau e ngahi loki ako whakateknikali o ako angani. Ika I ngata ai, ne whakakakato I pē I wikeni a hono whakotu e ngahi netueka interneti e Starlink o ako angani ke toko nia e ako e whānau wako lolo tonga. Pehe e toke tā pāsi, o ku whai e wakai e koristu tuku mi Australia mo e nau misiona mahu inga ke nau totongi ai ako e toko taha kotoa pē I he ako lolo tonga. Ka, o ku kei whai a hono aleai mo whenga ki ai. Mai o ngonga le te o ma televisione tonga, kauritea tau kapo.
O ni ngongo whakaloto whanua ai ki hoani ki ngahi o ngongo me he malai o sipoti mo piea o le.
I he whetaki ni mai komisoni whamawhora rea tonga me potungau e ngahi ngau e whakaloto whanua pe mia. Malawa I ke whamawhora te malai o sipoti mo e whiau I Super Rugby Pacific manoa ua no. Whamalo ke 8 Minister me tawai sipoti ai potungau e whenga e aki ua whakahoko. Maloma tau ke I whilaonga ki koe whakaini ki malai o e sipoti. O ku whakaau ke toi whakaututuang he tupure kina pe mono mana koa e tenis te pile pe ukiloa ke tokolahi koe ping pong hiri hano ave sipotini ki toke lau I ngai wike kuo hiri. Ko ono whakahain he pure lahia kau taha tenis te pile a tonga ani whareka aono Jensen ki a ngonga reti o tonga he pongpongini hiri e lava tono whawhi iloa ke sipotini ki wawau muha pai. Nei pehe Jensen ko e pok fo oweni ki he kautaha ping pong pe ko tenis te pire ne ngok malawa beha taha ia ke vainga sipotini ka kumake he noa ko I longa I whanau ke nau whanonga hake moia I whawhunga I e whanua I he kaha o.
Ko e fufua tai minu si toa e Smash Down Barriers program ki wapiako ko he ngo motu ko ni nei ku tuko e te pire taha ki vavau tuko e te pire taha ki hapai. Pe tukai pe ai ke lava whanau ia o ngā weaki mo whakaunga e na whangitare niti I ta whaki koe e spoti ping pongo. Ko e lahi tā maru e Smash Down Barriers program ia o ai tokanga ke ta whaki atakai me nofo whakam community whio whawhani mo e anga koe ai nofo tau kakai.
O tongani koe konga hano te teu e whanau tariniti sipoti I he tenis te pire, kono tukuangi he taimi lahi ki hako tupo e whanua, ke pāo toroa ki o nau tariniti ko ia mo tokangai kina ki nau tolu, whengata ia whakaisi no.
Ko whakamu ki lava le te pehepe mo hapa mo vau. Ko wavau ena matuke e mau te pire ki wavau Public Library and Community Center. Ko winga nei tuko ki ai ke mahino e lava e tako toa au ki ai. Au peke weekend okay ata peke ua te whanau si ngā raki mo waingai ako whakamu ia ke lere pemu nau whanki whiau ia nau tau he kapaku kua tōna ki whakau si nau lere nau toa ahoke kaku aike mau o mai ha kau ngau e malo e ki vava o public library ia ulere ma wiki workshop I ho whamanatu me au whaage au valo me e kau whai ako pe me whengataha peo whi mau ke na wako ki ta whaaki koe inclusivity and ange wau koe whio mlahi tahang mo wha tokanga koe whio po whani mo acceptance o kehe ta toko taha kotoa. Ka koe whiau malo koe te au hilahi, koe tau mua mau toko ni taimini o mau sio ke Pacific Games wafitu.
Kai ke nei holo ni atu e taha ka o tenis te pile iloa I he temi whangata I e whaai sino, se le mai alo a manu I hono te tāki e a komo whaai a e whanau si potini I hono whawhi iloa ki I haapai mō wawa u. Ko e mala e pia o si potini.
Ko e wakailewa ene ki he tuonga o e ea I hono tuku mai me waa wakaimatangi a tonga I whamoto whakahoko atu e Vaiola mai Nikolo.
Malo lau malia hau e ki lele e tonga kotoa, tai tai lele e pek motono he whiawhini. Ngahi tā noa lalahi ko ia o e whiawhini, ko e alo tā maki uhau, no wholope e lia, pa mo e potahi ko e whakatoke lau, Neu mai hangai uhatu moto ki e ngoni wape foki ki wawau, ki whakasinga ko ia o e wikeni. Pa mo e hako e ni ki hoko ati he tau potahi whatonga, te riki tonga pa mo te riki toke lau ka o alpe ki holo ati he o wewa whako ia ka hoko mai. E tau wakai ko ke I misi satellite ko ia o e ahoni, e tau whaifnonga mai hoa pongpongi ko ia ahoni o ki hoa tā o e ahoni. Lewa ki tau wakai ki he alota maki uha, e ne toka mai I ngoni wawa o mai ki wawa o pepe foki ki he ngahi potahi whakahahaki ko ia o e otu haa pai Tongatapu pia mo ewa mai no pena au fia pe fotunga o langi I ahoni. Ia e pia moha uhatu moto mana na lipo ti mai pia me wawa o lahi. Ka koe tau wakai koe ke ngai potahi whakatonga hoko a te hako I te riki tonga pia mo te riki toke lau I he poni alupe ke holo atu ai pe a pongi ka te tau toku wakai ke whaiki ki ange a moiange. E koe ngahi whakatokanga koe ke tukati e whawhini koe whakatokanga hako pe ki te riki tonga pia mo te riki toke lau koe hui o ke ia o hake pe ai hako holo lelei pe ai hako I hong potahi koe ni ka e holo tai pe hako koe ni a pongi. Koe tau wakai koe ia ke Pasifiki a hoi ni ma koe ka hako mai ho tau Elia ai a koe otu tonga o kupule I ai tuunga o e ea I alo maalie I he whakatonga hahake o kune whitutuk mai hawili pea me he hahake pa mo toka lau hahake he tau whanonga te whaosinga o e wikeni o a o ki he wike kahau pa pe he foki ki he nofo pe au tā maki ki Elia koe toke lau ki he ongoniwa pa pe he foki ki wawao. Kata wakai mua ki he ne anga ne tuu ai a koe alo maalie ni whakatonga hake ne vilohi mai whitutuk mai hawili me hake mo toka lau hake alo tāmaki huai nofo lope e ria ko ia ngoni wā pia mō wawau o ki he kamataanga o I wike kahau. Arpe ki sāiange pe ngā une ngahi ko ngā uhake hahake I he ko ngā loto wike kahau pe alo māli mai ngoni wā. Kako tau wakai ko I ki hapai pia mō Tongatapu pia mō e wā o ko tuu whainga māli pe matangi lelei pe. He tau wakai ko ia ahoe ni maka hoko mai lahiange taimi ko ia E alo maali ai. Kako tau wakai koe ki teriki tonga pia mo teriki toka lau, wai whuka au tā maki uha, e whanonga mai ki teriki tonga pia mo teriki toka lau he konga loto oiwe ka hau, ai ni pe oktoka tuko e ni pe uha lahi pe whoki kia mana. Ki he konga loto ia oiwe ke ka hau, ki o tau ngai potahi I he whakatonga. Tau wakai koe ki he pōni o au ki ahenghengi o tau ngahi wahe whonua, mahino pe alo tāmaki uhae ni toka mai me toke lau o cross mai I wawau pia pe whoki ngai potahi whakahahaki ko ia o e otu haapai kai maa Tongatapu pe mo ewa. Pe mo wakai me pe ko ngai ko ngā uhae no wholope e ria wawau pe he ki potahi whakahahake ni ke o mai uha pe whakamana ki wawau he tau whanonga atu I he pōni o au ki ahenghengi. Mo wete hake pe ngai ko ngā uha I he alo tāmaki uha malawa kene o mai hangai ua tumoto ki e ngoni wā. Ka oe tau wakai ke otu haapai, Tongatapu pia mo ewa. Matangi lelei pe tu whainga maali e lahi angi taimi e te tau afua. Alo maali ai koe. au fiat pe ngai taimi malawa ki afa ki ua tu muto ma pe ka o kulahi angi taimi ko ia te tau alo mali ai ngai vai funo ko ni fatonga pe foki ki ma lalo tahi ti kristo te se wanima o a o ki ti kristo te se wa no he pon ke ongo niwa pe ko e havili me no fo pe mali tahi o fuge ta nima i ngai po tahi ongo niwa o mai ki no kalfani tuku kehe ange pea tere ki tonga pea mo tere ki toke lau ke hako pe pea me he hihi fo pea mo e toke lau hihi fo e mari tahi e wa nima aia ko e hako ia ko e alpe ki holo atu a pongpongina. Ko tau wakai atu ko ia ki e toko naki a pongpongi i ho tau ngai vai whanua e siofi alata maki oha e alpe tai mi ke teke atu pe ko e ngā una te ngahi ko ngā a oha ke hahake ke ai petai mea e afua atu ai a wawao ka o kei lahengi ai whainga maali o whahano siofi e kei au awhia e whotunga o e langi he ongo niwa pe ki wawao mua ngahi uhatu umotoko uhi ko e nofo holo pe ai alo tāmaki i toke lau. O tu haa pai, Nuku'alofa pea mo ewa a pongpongi na kulahengi taimi e afua ai pea matangi lelei alo maali e sai au pito pea lelei e ngai whatongi a kotoa pe whahoka ki tu ai o tu haa pai kai maa Nuku'alofani pea mo ewa pea toko maari e mo e tahi havili wangi iki pe ke mai tahi e hongo fulu e tau ngai po tahi pe me hongo ni wawa mai ki Nuku'alofani pe fo ke holo te hako a pongpongina i te riki tonga pe mo te riki toke lau e mai tahi pe e taha nima ma whana koe fua ma whana pongpongi e te kristo te ase tolu taha le ko te ngai vai whanua koe ni ki he whakatonga. Tai me tahi ke kau tau tai maha toka tahi to e nima ki he walu he tū māma e whiawhini pe tok mo fisi mai hua tau maalia i e oskuata ko ia pia mei he ua i he longo aho a heng. Ai ka tau wakai ke laa, whangai lupe ke hopo a pongpong he to i hiwa ki he fitu, pea hopo mahina i he to a pōko ia oi pōni os wanoa pea mei he tahaua. Pea ka tau whanonga tueni ke mahina fo'o, pe ko e mate mahina i he toko naki ko ia oi wike kahao. E tau wakai ko ia ke aho nima ka hoko mai o a o ke konga loto oi wike kahao i Nuku'alofani, tu whainga maali e pe whasinga o e wike ni o au ki he tūsite, lahi angi taimi e afua ai pe a whaofa ha mai fofonga o i la i Nuku'alofani, kau ki ha alo tāmaki uha vai ki konga loto ko ia o e wike kaha o tene o mai hawha ki uatu moto ki Nuku'alofani i he konga loto o e wike kaha o ma whana pe fua ma whana o ki te kristo te ase tau tahe whakasinga o e wike ni pe mo i ka mataanga o e wike kaha o i Nuku'alofani. Lawa lele ia mo whamutala ia ki he whiawhini o whaki mō mao ha e whiawhi whono ke lesi ia.
Mai o lai amai tu o ngā oe ea ka tau toi wakaingi pe heni ki ngāhi ulo i o ngongo. I kai haliliu e hoko ki he tu o ngā o ke e lolo i tongani, neongo ai alea pau ho i mahafu i ke uau kua whelotoi ke e tau i he haha ki loto loto. Hoka tongani ko fuafua whanua i Pasifiki ke whotua i wa ngā ue e kau taha Women in Aviation, pe ka kai whiwhine i ta whaaki whiwhalau aki wakapuna sivile. Pea pau ke hua ai kato ai toko taha kotoa pe e hu ki loto pa ake te uwhaiva i he whiauhi sipoti whakakolisi o wike kaha una ko uhi koe mālomo i hao ai toko taha kotoa nolotonga ai ngāhi whiauhi. Mo e ke kato ai pea ngāhi o ngongo mo le tio kai uma ai televisione to ngā ki hauani mo whakaamu ne au taki kotoa atu pea ki loto whale kotoa malo e tau kei whiau mai ka mo mea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with Radio and Television Tonga News for this Friday evening, April 10th. Today's top stories. The country's fuel supply status outlook for the future remains the same despite a ceasefire in the Middle East looking to provide some relief in the global fuel supply chain. Women in Aviation Tonga chapter launched today aimed at empowering women in the aviation sector. And police prepare for major combined operation during the annual intercollegiate sports competition next week. We'll have these and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest from the sports scene and the latest weather update to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I'm Popua Aho. Despite the announcement of a ceasefire agreement in the conflict in the Middle East between Iran, the United States and Israel, and Iran opening the Strait of Hormuz, the major shipping route used by oil tankers transporting oil from the Middle East to the rest of the world, which has brought a small ray of hope regarding global oil supply, there is still uncertainty about the country's fuel supply for the future. In a press conference today, the Prime Minister Lord Fukafanua said the country's fuel supply status remains unchanged at green level, meaning the supply is still at a favorable status. But until a more permanent solution is in place for the global fuel supply, there is no guarantee for our fuel supply status for the following months. The government and related authorities continue to monitor the global situation and are preparing appropriate responses to help the country deal with a possible fuel shortage in the future. The Ministry of Infrastructure's Civil Aviation Division led the launch of the Women in Aviation Tonga chapter this morning, marking a significant milestone for the country, with Tonga being the first from the Pacific to establish a chapter under this international organization.
The launch of the Tonga chapter of the Women in Aviation came on the last day of a 3-day training program, led by the Civil Aviation Division in partnership with the Australia Pacific Partnerships for Aviation Program, P4A, aimed at bringing together women in different areas of the aviation sector in Tonga, discussing areas for improvement and policies and guidelines that can help break down barriers and improve opportunities for women in the aviation sector. Manoa Kupu from Lulutai Airlines expressed their appreciation for the program this week, saying it was a great opportunity for building up women in the aviation sector in Tonga.
With this program, it has helped us to focus more on strategies that we can help women to come out of their comfort zone and to develop them, let them grow in aviation. Personally, I think Tonga is in very great hands.
Moi, Senior Civil Aviation Officer Silioti Kata, who's also the focal point for the Tonga chapter of Women in Aviation, says the program has been an enlightening experience as a first for the country in the Pacific. She looks forward to the opportunities that this new chapter will bring for Tongan women in aviation.
Network koni na whaihono whao, koe kakai in the leadership role I he aviation, kakai whewhine, I he ngahi tawha ake he kehepe. We wanted to break barriers in the workplace, in this industry. So we wanted to break those barriers, and we also want to empower women I he ngahi training opportunities, pathways e lava, ke whakahoko, ke whakaivia ake kakai whewhine koni I he tawha ake koni.
A pilot in training at the Balu School of Aviation, Cecilia Manu, says that this new chapter in the aviation sector is inspiring to her and fellow female pilots in training, especially since the industry is male-dominated, and she is looking forward to the opportunities that this will bring for herself and other pilots in training in the future.
So I feel very honored to join this network. It really teaches me a lot, and also teaches us what we will face in the future, especially being a young woman. I haven't faced any difficulty as most of the women in this network has.
Aviation sector in Tonga, especially in recognizing the contributions of the women in the sector, and this morning's program marked the dawn of a new era for aviation in the country. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
As we get closer to the major sporting event, that is the intercollegiate sports competition, police are making preparations to ensure the safety of the students and all supporters who will be gathering at Teowhaiva Park during the 4-day event next week.
Some of the new measures being introduced including the enforcing of bag screening, meaning every bag will have to be inspected at the entry before being allowed into the crowd, as an extra safety measures to help minimize the presence of illegal and harmful substance at the events. This was a decision made by the Intercollegiate Sports Competition Organizing Committee, with the President Hingano Halaufia confirming to Radio and Television Tonga News they are fully supporting the police and security partners in this initiative. In previous years, Security officers at the gate would sometimes check student bags, but it was not done consistently. However, this year it will be strictly enforced that every single bag is checked, including those of spectators. Halofia explained the decision was based on concern about safety and security at the competition, particularly the risk of illicit drugs being brought in and distributed at the event. The issue is being taken very seriously to protect students from drug use and alcohol consumption. Halofia said that anyone who refuses to have their bag searched will not be allowed into the event. Meanwhile, the Deputy Police Commander of Nuku'alofa Police Station, Biliu Lemoto, said a request has also been made by the school principal for police to look out for suspicious items in student bags, especially if students are carrying extra clothes in their bags, because this can indicate that students are entering for free in their school uniform. Then once inside, they change out of their school uniforms and go out freely instead of following the rules in place for the students. Biliu said that this issue occurs frequently every year during intercollegiate sports, but this year police will take a more active role in addressing this behavior, working together with school authorities. The 99th Intercollegiate Sports Competition is set to take place next week from Tuesday to Friday, with a total of 20 team schools all around Tonga having registered to compete in this year's event. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Tonga to Iwai.
And Tupou High School has received a generous donation from their ex-students association based in Australia, aimed at supporting the students' academic and sports endeavours.
The Tupou High School Ex-Students Association based in Australia, known as the Tapu Tukulolo and Siako Mo'ui Aonga, has donated a sum of 2,600 ba'anga to support the Tupou High School sports team as they prepare for next week's intercollegiate sports competition. The association's president, Dr. Lei Basi, told Radio Tonga News that the financial contribution is aimed at assisting the team with essential preparations, equipment, and other competition needs ahead of the event. He said the donation marks the beginning of broader plans by the association to continue supporting both students and the school, especially in areas that strengthen learning and development beyond sports. Beyond the athletics support, the association has also contributed to educational improvements at Tupou High School, including upgrading technical classrooms and helping establish improved internet access through systems such as Starlink to enhance teaching and learning for students. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Lidea Taukapo.
That's your local news for tonight. After this break, we'll join Pia Olia for the latest in sports.
Welcome back in sport. The Tonga Table Tennis Association has expanded its development program to Vava'u and Hawaii. The initiative aims to introduce the sport that is commonly known as ping pong to communities in the outer islands. Chief Executive Officer Arnie Jansen told Radio Tonga Sports News the program is part of efforts to grow the sport at grassroots level. He says the association is focused on reaching young people and promoting inclusive participation, including for persons with disabilities. More than 800 students from both island groups have taken part in the program. The outreach is also part of Tonga's long-term preparation for the 2031 Pacific Games. Jensen acknowledged the support of volunteers, including Selemayelo Amanu, who assisted in delivering workshops, particularly in disability sport. And that's sports news.
That was your sports news with Pia Olia. Now taking a look at the latest weather update from the Fort Motu Weather Forecasting Centre with Viola Vanicolo.
Good evening, Tonga. Welcome to your evening forecast from your Met Service. Headline for tonight, draft concentrate to the northern part of Tonga, bring cloudy and occasional showers of rain to the north. The Niues and Vava'u, strong wind from the west continue over the southern waters. Tonga and Tongatapu coastal waters expected to gradually decrease in the next 24 hours. So the satellite imagery clearly indicate the trough lies over the northern part, especially Vava'u, was mostly cloudy today, reported isolated thunderstorms and also occasional showers of rain, while mostly cloudy over the Niues, Hapai, Tongatapu and Ewa with isolated showers. Well, looking at the southern waters, the Tonga and Tongatapu coastal waters, the low pressure to the far south still trigger the strong westerly winds over the southern waters, but expected to gradually decrease in the next 24 hours. And this is exactly why we're still in for strong wind and small craft advisory over the Tonga and Tongatapu coastal waters, because it is expected to still continue tonight and gradually decrease by tomorrow. In the next 5 days across the Pacific region, in the bigger picture, we're looking at the high pressure to far southeast dominate the weather in the next few days and bring east and northeast wind over our area of responsibilities. The unsettled weather continue to concentrate over the northern part of Tonga, the Niues and Vava'u. But let's have a look at it. So the unsettled weather, this is occasional showers of rain concentrate over the Niues and Vava'u in the next few days. Some improvement are expected by Tuesday and Wednesday next week across Tonga, while of course Hapai, Tongatapu and Ewa are expected to be mostly fine in the next 5 days. Another major concern is this active draft are expected by Wednesday to affect Tonga and Tongatapu coastal waters. So forecast for tonight until early tomorrow, the northern part, especially Vava'u, expected mostly cloudy with occasional showers of rain with potential thunderstorms, while Hapai, Tongatapu and Ewa are expected to be mostly fine with few showers tonight to early tomorrow. Look further to the north over the Niues, expected to be cloudy period with potential isolated showers. To take note that the strong westerly winds over the Tonga and Tongatapu coastal waters still continue up to 25 knots tonight until early tomorrow, while our coastal waters over the north down south to Nuku'alofa and Ewa 10 to 15 knots most of the time, which is a good condition for a small boat. Stepping forward to tomorrow Saturday, the unsettled weather still concentrate to the north, especially Vava'u and the Niues. Expected cloudy most of the time with occasional showers of rain tomorrow, while the Hapai, Tongatapu and Ewa still expect fine, beautiful sunny tomorrow with tops 31 degrees here in the southern islands by tomorrow and 30 degrees to the northern island by tomorrow. Good condition for fishing and small boat. As you can see, most of the time across Tonga coastal waters will be 10 to 15 knots, potentially from the east and northeast by tomorrow. Tide prediction, low tide this evening in 5 minutes to 8 and the high tide will be early tomorrow, 2:15, and the sunrise tomorrow 9 minutes to 7 and the moonrise will be after midnight tonight, 20 minutes past 12. 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa, pretty sunny, continue over Sunday and also early next week, Monday and Tuesday, but occasional showers are expected by Wednesday and Thursday here in Nuku'alofa with tops of 31 degrees. And that will be all for this evening. Thank you.
Thank you to Viola and the team at the Tonga Met Service for that latest weather update. That wraps up this hour's news package, but before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. The country's fuel supply status outlook for the future remains the same despite a ceasefire in the Middle East, looking to provide some relief in the global fuel supply chain. Women in Aviation Tonga chapter launched today, aimed at empowering women in the aviation sector. And police prepare for major combined operation during the annual intercollegiate sports competition next week. That's your news package for this Friday evening, April 10th. For more on these stories, you can visit our website at www.tbc.to. For a recap of the week's top stories, join us tomorrow for our weekly news program, Tonga This Week. Now, for myself and the Radio and Television Tonga News team, thank you for joining us. Have a good weekend and good evening.